gonna do best snack. Okay. Which one am I reaching for? I love Kit Kats, but I'm gonna go Teddy Grahams, Funyuns, uh, Fruit Gushers, Cool Ranch Doritos. I'm gonna go Cheetos, Sour Patch. I'm gonna go Pringles, Oreos. Why would you want popcorn when you can have Oreos? I'm gonna go Funyuns, Cool Ranch, Cheetos, Oreos, obviously, Cool Ranch, Oreos. This is really hard, but I'm gonna go Oreos. Oreos wins the snack. Dip them in milk. They're amazing. There's so many different flavors too. Oreos, Oreos, Oreos.